So welcome back. Let's start with the making our list. So we want to make an information class. So we're getting the data types from the information class, which is going to be red because we haven't made it yet. And um, and then we're going to contemplate. We're going to make a contemplate data class. We're going to make a method in the data class. We're going to call it load all items. And that's going to be sort of our to-do list for this video. So first, let's make our Java class. And we can just do the normal way. We don't have to use the wizard because it's not going to have its own layout. So, we can just make a class. And we want to keep it simple for now. We'll add more, but let's just have in our page or adapter just 2 strings. I think that should be enough. So we'll just have a string and a name. Looks like the name's already used, but hopefully that's not a problem. And then we'll make I don't know, a description. We'll just it'll be a very simple pager, but we can add those things later in other videos. And then we want to make a contemplate data class. So, and that's going to be populating these things like a name and a description into an array. So contemplate data. So you may notice with these things is that it's a static class. So it's not going to be like dynamic. You're not going to call things from API, and that's for a few reasons. I don't know why, but you have to make a private blank constructor when you make these things. I don't know why, but if I don't, then Android Studio is unhappy with me. So I'm just gonna do empty constructor. So there are a few reasons for making a static class. One, I don't know how to make a dynamic one. Eh. Biggest reason, I suppose. And the second thing is, um, uh, what if you say you want to call from API, then you have to do multi-threading, which is also hard. um, that's a thing. Load all items. All right, we got it. So that's also hard to do, which is also the reason that I don't do it. And what else? Yes, it's all right. I'm just checking to make sure I didn't know the syntax, but now that it's turns black, that means it's recognized the method. It's still unhappy because we didn't put the right return value, but we will get around to that. So I don't know. So 2 things. I don't know how to make it dynamic, and I don't really. I'm very new to multi-threading. That's a new thing. That's another thing. So